Hi everyone, I hope you're well. In this recipe, I'll be sharing how I make these incredibly tasty banana and blueberry muffins. Banana bread, as we all know, is wonderfully tasty, but muffins are quicker, more convenient, and taste just as incredible. All you need for this recipe is a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes, and let's get started. Begin by preheating your oven to 180 degrees. In a large bowl, combine 200 grams of all-purpose flour with 150 grams of granulated white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix these dry ingredients together. In a second bowl, mash together 3 ripe bananas using a fork. Melt butter and allow to cool at room temperature before adding to the bananas. Next, crack 2 eggs into the mixture. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now stir your banana mixture into the flour mixture. Mix it just to blend everything together. You don't want to overwork the batter. Lastly, add a handful of fresh blueberries and gently mix it together. Line a cupcake tray with cases. Fill the cases up to 2/3 of the way. This recipe is enough to make 12 perfectly delicious muffins. Gently tap the batter against a table to ensure everything sets well and there are no air bubbles. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Once baked, allow to cool for up to half an hour before tucking into them. These banana and blueberry muffins are soft, buttery, and spiced with cinnamon. They're wonderful plain, but also delicious with custard. I hope you enjoyed learning this recipe, and if you give these a try, please do tag me in your photos on Instagram. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Until next time, take care. Bye!